Hello everyone, I am Vedika Singh and you are watching the YouTube channel of campuswala.com. Also, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Today in this video, we'll be discussing about IIM Kozhikode, Indian Institute of Management. The Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode, or also known as IIMK, is an autonomous business school located in Calicut, Kerala. The institute, set up in 1996 by the Government of India in collaboration with the State Government of Kerala, is one of the 20 Indian Institutes of Management IIMs. It was the fifth IIM to be established. The institute conducts a full range of academic activities in the field of management education, covering research, teaching and training, consulting and intellectual infrastructure development. The institute emphasizes development of analytical skills and a focus on global and cross-cultural issues with a balance between business demands and social concerns. We will talk about location and campus or mode of transportation. The main campus is located in Kunnamangalam, a suburban area of Kozhikode, previously known as Calicut, Kerala. Approximate driving distance between Calicut railway station and IIM Kozhikode is 18 kilometers. If we'll talk about hostels, besides classroom, the campus also has residential facilities for students, faculty and visitors. The campus houses 13 hostels to house around 800 students who are required to stay on campus. Set up over 100 acres of land, the campus relies on rainwater harvesting as its primary resource of water. A couple of new hostels, Hostel P and Hostel Q, have come up recently and have been operational from the academic year of 2018. Coming to Indian Business Museum, IIM Kozhikode embarked on a program to create a museum of Indian business history in 2010, which is believed to be the first of its kind. The museum will feature the contributions of India's business leaders, the history of trade, commerce, business and industries in India. The first phase was completed with a budget of Rs 1.5 crore. The museum, spanning 23,000 square feet, features a large model of the Uru, an ancient ship which was used for trade and commerce between India and the rest of the world, and pavilions by Indian companies like Tata, Godrej, Reliance, State Bank of India and Infosys. The Reserve Bank of India Gallery of the museum was inaugurated in 2012 by D. Subbarao, the then Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Coming to next, Kochi campus. IIM Kozhikode opened a satellite campus in Kochi in June 2012 to enhance the institute's offerings in executive education, especially full-time and part-time programs targeted at middle and senior level executives. The campus is based in Athulya Complex at Info Park in Kochi. The campus currently offers a 2-year executive management program which is accredited by Association of MBAs in addition to short and long-term management development program. The first batch of the 2-year executive management program commenced in April 2013. Moving on to next, admission. The institute's current full-time student body consists of 720 graduate students and 38 doctoral students. The admissions to PGP course is based on the Common Admission Test (CAT), conducted by the IIMs for admission to graduate programs in management at 20 campuses. 49.5% seats in IIM Kozhikode are caste-based reserved quotas according to affirmative action policy of Government of India. 15% of the admitted students must be scheduled caste and 7.5% of students are reserved for scheduled tribes. The other backward classes belonging to the non-creamy layer have been provided with 27 reservations since 2008 with the consent of the Supreme Court of India. 3% seats are reserved for persons with disability. The reserved category students are admitted based on the CAT score using relaxed admissions criteria. The institute also uses group discussions, essays, and personal interviews to evaluate the students shortlisted based on CAT scores. If we'll talk about the institute rankings, IIMK was ranked 6th among management schools in India by the National Institutional Ranking Framework (NIRF) in 2018, 8th by Business Today's India's Best B Schools in 2016, and 5th in India by Outlook India's Top 100 Management Schools of 2016. If we'll talk about academic programs, IIM Kozhikode, like all IIMs, is an autonomous institution under Ministry of Human Resources Development, Government of India. The institute is free to design its own curriculum and recruit faculty members. the PGP postgraduate program and the ePGP executive postgraduate program courses have been granted international accreditation by the Association of MBAs AMBA. Professor Debahis Chatterjee is the current director of IIM Kozhikode. If we'll talk about the course fees, then IIM Kozhikode annual fee is 8,75,000 and its total fee is 17,50,000. If we'll talk about the placements, in a batch of 373 students, IIM Kozhikode witnessed 100% placements for the 366 students participating in the placement processes with 390 offers from 107 recruiters. Talking about placement in recent years, in 2019, average salary was 20 lakh. In 2018, average package was 17.8 lakh. In 2017, average package was 17.65 lakh. In 2016, average salary was 17.1 lakh. The highest CTC offered to the batch is Rs 40.50 lakh. If we'll talk about cutoff for IIM Kozhikode 2020, the expected cutoff is for general category, the CAT percentile is 80. For 10th, it's 60 percentile. For 12th class, it's 60 percentile. And overall for CAT, it's 90 percentile. For NC, OBC, for CAT, it's 70 percentile. For 10th class, it's 60 percentile. For 12th class, it's 60 percentile. And for overall CAT, it's 80 percentile. For SC category, it's 50 percentile for CAT, 55 percentile for 10th class, 55 percentile for 12th class, and 65 overall for CAT. For ST or /PWD, it's 40 percentile for CATs, 55 percentile for 10th class, 55 percentile for 12th class, and 55 overall for CAT percentile. We will talk about IIM Kozhikode cutoff in 2019. For general category, the percentile for CAT was 80, for 10th class it's 60, for 12th it was 60, and overall for CAT it was 90 percentile. For NC OBC, the percentile was 70, 60 percentile for 10th class, 60 percentile for 12th class, and overall for CAT it was 80 percentile. For SC, the CAT percentile was 50, for 10th class it was 55, for 12th class it was 55, and for 65 overall for CAT percentile. For ST, 40 percentile for CAT, 55 for 10th class, 55 for 12th class, and 55 overall for CAT percentile. I hope you like this video and it was very helpful for you. For more details and updates, please visit our website campuswala.com. Also, if you like the video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you.